Hey guys, welcome to Tech is Guru. Today we'll be learning how to download a photo as JPG from Picsart, and now let's dive right in. Now to download a photo as JPG from Picsart, first open up a Picsart app on your phone, and after opening a Picsart app, guys, you land over here, which is the home interface of the Picsart. And on this interface, at the bottom of the screen, you can see a bunch of icons available for us. We'll be required to tap on the folder icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the folder icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you'll land over here on the file section of your Picsart account. Now at the top, guys, you can see this menu, and there is the photos option available for us. When you swipe this, tap on photos, and all of the photos available on your Picsart account will be over here. Now to save a particular photo as a JPG from Picsart, simply tap and hold on the photo which you want to download as a JPG, and when this panel appears, tap on the download button over here just beside the move to, tap on download, and after you download that photo, this panel will appear where you can see the save as JPG button. Tap on the save as JPG button over here and get your dimensions right over here, and after that, tap on the save button. And with that being done, guys, your photo will be saved as a JPG from Picsart or downloaded from Picsart as a JPG. And there, guys, this is how to download a photo as JPG from Picsart. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.